were told of such things as rumors of wars and famine in the last days. When we look around us today, we see the word has been fulfilled in many ways. We cry of many an agony in life. Comfort us, Lord, in times of such pain. Refresh us with your promises as we journey coming our way home. There are things we can't avoid, going through in life while we seek and do your will. At times we faint, fall and cry. Help us to remember of your promises, Lord. We cry of many an agony in life. Comfort us, Lord, in times of such pain. Refresh us with your promises as we journey coming our way home. We'll not lose heart, but move on. For you, our God, watch over us and know all things. Our hopes are built upon you. One day we'll bid adieu to all that matters now. We cry of many an agony in life. Comfort us, Lord, in times of such pain. Refresh us with your promises as we journey coming our way.